know I'm keeping everyone waiting, but oh well. Anyone in here? I wouldn't be in on this anyway. This was the hourly open with no bottom wick, right? So if you guys wanted to jump in, fine, but the hourly opened here with nothing. So irrelevant. What's more relevant right now is that Dallas is giving Philly buckets. That's the relevant thing here. I was gonna go buys, but no bottom wick. Yes. You really want the higher time frame to grab liquidity, even though you did grab some kind of liquidity here. Oh well. So daily, we closed bear on the daily, but that look where we closed bear. So yesterday we closed. Remember we said when we came onto the session, and look at this. So yesterday we came onto the session. Session saying we closed above this area, right there. We closed above, and we were expecting to drive up, but we said if we're gonna close bear, as long as we close bear above this, we're still valid to drive. Look, so close bear above it, so we're valid to retest these highs here, right? Get to the top of the range today. We already broke yesterday. Not much volume in yesterday's candle. Not much range, right? But we could see some buys. Look, clean range above here on the 4-hour. Oh, no, go back. Wrong drawings. There we go. See where we can take advantage of these buys. Oh wow, that's 22 pips. All right. Not bad. Even the current 4-hour doesn't have a bottom wick. Look, these last three hourly candles don't have a bottom wick. Straight up. Massive volume. Alright, chat. I'm expecting us to close above 1842, 1843. And once we close above 1843, I'm going to look to come back in this range. Somewhere around 1840, 1839, and then drive up. Although, if we can expect the next 4 hour to break this previous 4 hour low, then the daily would flip, right? The daily would flip bear after grabbing liquidity and never breaking this wick here. So we could still drive down here. I'm open to sells, right? This is initially the daily bias coming into today. If this is the daily top wick, where can we take sells? So yeah, my buys will be above here. It's like range 5 breakout already, but right now, with all this play here, we can't do anything. We have to close above that level. Yeah, we would need to flip on this current 4 hour, and then we'll start looking for sells. Got to range here to calm down, but let's see how we form. Maybe we'll get some hourly closures below. Below here. Patience, patience, patience. Yes, yes, yes. Big Wix energy. What up? Well, I don't know. Tell me. I haven't felt energetic the last few days. I mean, I'm energetic, but I have not been in energetic mode. Trading Jacob in the house. What's the deal? Hope you're doing doing all right. What is Wix 9 special? There's a Wix special. A Wix special is a closure above range, and then a resistance formed, and then a respect of that previous resistance that used to be support, and then a break of it. If you want to see it in play, we have it right here on the 5. Right there. That's the Wix special. Closure above. Bearish candle, respecting previous resistance to support, and then a break of this resistance right here that you formed above the range. Once you break this with the clean range to the left here, nothing but clean candles, you guys see, you're gonna mirror this right here, right after this Wix special. See, Wix special, break of the highs, and then you show up. That's it. Don't vape, sir. Use weed for concentration. I was smoking this, but then I was getting yelled at for missing the first 5 minutes of the stream, so I had to put it down, put it out. Do this. Hey, Dill, what's the deal? Some rebels on me, man. Appreciate you. So, Dill just bought me some rebels. What's this blue zone you got? Oh, this was a higher time frame. So if you go out to the hourly, we need to close below there on the hourly to start considering sells. So if this hourly could come down all the way down there and close like this, then we'll look for positions. Kenny Sue. No. This is you hit a nerve here. You struck a nerve. I missed the gym today. Missed the gym. Ah. Thoughts on GU?
How about no?
Y'all remember this dude from this morning? Yeah, that's Trading Jacob. He's right there. He's in the chat right now. You guys, shout out Trading Jacob. Oh, he's dedicated. See? Oh, wait, let me get rid of this so people don't get confused. Where can we reject off from here, realistically? Let's look on the hourly. Clear, let's get rid of this. So, we could still reject here and come down. Like, I wouldn't be surprised. I would love to still come down, flip, but I think it's too late in the week to do all that. Or never know. We'll see it happen, right? That's why we don't predict, we just react. But this whole area, I wouldn't mind going, you know, wicking up into this area and then coming back down. Chat, I also won't have buys above this 1842.92 area right here, unless we're gonna come down and create some kind of bottom wick on the higher time frame candle into these areas. I need a liquidity grab and then to drive once we close above there, because otherwise I believe we're just gonna come back down, trickle down. We'll see it happen, but love you guys. Awesome. Awesome. I mean, right now we have no choice. We need some higher time frame closures because we have no wicks at all. No bottom wicks on any of these hourly. Last 3 hourlies, this 4 hour. Nothing. Not a thing. Nada. Zip zilch. Bottom wick will sus. Yeah, I would love for this to come down, grab some liquidity. If it rejects at the top range, I'm gonna take sells. Fire. Man with the plan. Looks, what broker to use? At the moment, TD. Trader's Domain at the moment. I don't hear none of this, nothing you gotta say. I'll say nothing. That's the broker I use. Right now, that's the broker I use. Until further notice, that's my broker. GJ?
It's definitely a no for me, dog.
No, I have not withdrawn money yet. Not yet. Oh, before, yes. In the last few months, no. Hey, Wix, I'm new here. Could you tell us where you live? Right near the beach, boy! And your ass ain't new. Said, answer that one, boy. That's where we live. Can you just hit the Dr. Evil for everything? Oh man. We had a 30 closure here, chat. Respecting this resistance. You want your iPad? That's a good question. Where are your Oh, they're right there. Oh, wait, they're not there. Where's your iPad? Oh, found that iPad. Who's ready? Who's ready for the weekend chat? Nah, it's the deck. Don sent him. Yeah, he sent me a deck, and then I just do all my own sounds. A whole bunch on here. Don's Christmas present to me was a stream deck. Made a thank you video for him. I never posted it. I don't know why. I just remembered. I have not seen you take one trade in 3 days. What do you mean? We took a trade yesterday, day before yesterday, right? Yeah, day before yesterday we had a trade. 10 pips. But I'm not going to take a trade just because you want it, right? Can't lose if you don't trade, eh? Oh man, it's not even Friday, chat. Yeah. We're not even at 100 likes. Look, drop a like, sub to the channel. Been killing it in the morning session. You know, got Don's trade on Wix. What? Yeah. Morning's been has been the session where it's at, where I've been catching the moves this year. It's all right. Where we've all been catching the morning moves, and then once in a while, like 12 times this year, we got a W on this stream. Alright, as we're heading back down, this would be ideal to reject and start coming back down. I would love for that to happen. I would love for the previous 4 hour to break. Like, check this out, right? Like, look at all this happens here. Down here to these areas. Come back up, reach these areas, all these wicks, right? And this came back down, so I'm gonna expect the same, right? Let's see if we can start driving down hard. Ideally, it would be the next 4 hour, and the next 4 hour tapping, breaking the previous 4 hour low, and then we can start looking for some bearish positions. someone, oh, I remember someone got activated yesterday at the end of our stream, or in the middle of our stream, right? I wonder how they did. I wonder if they closed. Who was it? Anybody remember? Who was saying, what do we do since I'm activated? Seerin? No, Seerin. Wasn't you? No, I wasn't activated. So what do you mean? When? No. Took a loss? It came back down, right? Eventually. Small profits. Do this. Wow. Luka is just nasty. Luka Doncic needs to lose some weight. Just a little bit. Or turn that chubbiness into some, like, some muscle. He'd be hard to stop. He's already hard to stop. Wow. So I'm looking to see if we can get buys up again, but I'm a little sketched out here because and everything else is bear, right? And the 1 hour is flipping bear, flip bear here. Looks my broker spread is 4 to 8 pips on gold. That's why I activate early. Yeah, but there's no spreads on sells. How? The price would have had to hit. I think we had sell stops yesterday. The price would have actually had to hit your stop, your sell stop, to activate. Spread would have affected it if it was your chat. 840. No, I'm not taking a position here. I'm thinking like that. That's what it really is. Because of these little wicks here. We're gonna have to see this. We're gonna have to see this actually. We're gonna have to see this 4 hour actually close. Regardless. or not right now. I'm gonna need to see it close. Give me one sec, chat. My kids are going wild. They never deleted when Don did. What you talk about? Why do you only trade Asian sessions? They move so slow. Well, you are assuming I only trade Asian. No, we trade the New York session mostly. But in the evenings, I stream Asian. You guys enjoy it? You guys enjoying the Asian session? I hear you. Right? That's how we do it. What we got to set up tonight? I'm trailing a bit on FTMO challenge and profit, so get for yourself, but hoping for the 10% win. How short are you? There you go, Asia rocks. Hell yes. Yeah, I love it. Wix, can you explain why there isn't spreads on cells, please? There is spreads, but you activate. You see the two lines you have? Go look at your broker. You have a market price, which is the price where this red line is right now. And then there's a spread price, right? Which is a little above that price, right? So on the cells, you hit this market price first. That's what activates you. But when you want to get out of the position, it'll close at that spread price right above it. Because when you close a sell, you're basically taking a buy, right? Yeah, the bid and ask price, sorry. Oh, look at that, we flipped. Did the same thing here, right? Look, same thing. respected this area, flip. But we can't do anything. It's last 15. I'm not trading last 15 of the 4. That's a rule we've had for a long time that we've been following, and that's not placing a position at the close of the 4-hour, because 4-hour tends to pull back, right? And when does it pull back? Before close. If it's been driving and the 4-hour has been driving here, you'd expect it to leave a top wick. It's leaving a top wick right now, so I wouldn't expect this to just drive up and fill this wick and close with no top wick. If it does that, great, we're gonna look for sells, but I'm not gonna expect this to drive up here because we need this 4-hour to actually leave this wick, not fill it. Can it? Of course it can. The width between bid and ask is your spread. Yes, the girth between bid and ask is your spread. Aye, the girth. Gold's a short.
You ain't got the answers, man. You ain't got the answers.
The girth, man. Sway, yeah. Why do we have so much volatility in Asia session this week? Well, it's not really volatility. It's just market cycles. That's it. Just at this moment, we are here. You from Florida, Jit? Right near the beach, boy. Here we go. Did we reject off these levels? These lovely levels we had here on the 4-hour? These wicks that we've been talking about? I think we are respecting all these wicks. Be nice to just come down on the next candle. Whoa. We're to look for sells here, huh? I mean, we'll redo the charts on the 4-hour close. Are all the wicks liquidity grabs? No, this is a nice area on this 4 hour to reject and drive down. But we'll see. I mean, it can go both ways here, as you can see. Sound like Shang Tsung, Mortal Kombat. Your soul is mine. Your account is mine. Uh, 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 uh. Let's take a look at BTC. Not to trade. I'm gonna give you a pass on that one. But you know the deal, right? You know the deal. Alright, no pass.
How about no?
You trading your own funds? Yes. Liquidity. Liquidity is just where you've rejected off of, which zones you've rejected off for the market to drive. How it forms, it could form differently. It's just how you interpret it. Yo, did I have a dono and did not mention nothing? I'm sorry. Who's that? Diego Dog. Love you. Love you. That's a real one. Damn, I missed it. No one said anything. And wow, my bad. Appreciate you. Oh, it just happened, right? I barely missed it. I scrolled past it. I'm like, where is it? And I scrolled past it. He just bought me an eighth. Shh. Yo, Green's Cash App is Gangrene. Just in case everyone wants to know, Gangrene. Hit him up. Yes, thank you, James. Irving, just magical. If everyone does a little, no one has to do a lot. I feel that, right? If we just get 1,000 people to give me $100, that's a fucking funded account right there. Funded by gang, by the gang. Imagine joining the stream and not hitting the like button. Nope, can't imagine that. Oh, yeah. 4 minutes, chat. 4 minutes for this 4 hour. See how we close. Maybe we'll respect this area. Range the rest of the way. What happened to cancel the sell stop this morning? On what? On my stream? On Don's stream? I don't remember. Is there Russia stuff for that drop on BTC? I don't know. I was bearish until we broke the daily highs, right? And we respected this area even though we closed bearish yesterday. So if we did come up, didn't mind it. We come back up in this range, we'll take some more buys if it happens on the next hourly. Yeah, we got driving down here. Hourly's closing bearish. And look where it's closing bearish, right at resistance. Oh, side B, you're right. My bad. I forget, bruh. Thank you. I don't know. This morning is a big blur. This morning was dedicated to trading Jacob. All right, we got a 4-hour close here. Where did we close? Ooh, we closed right above this level. I thought we were going to respect it. Chat, we got a bottom wick on this 4-hour, right? Because we got a nice area here. Look, on the 4-hour that you close right above. The hourly respected this area. Yeah, chat. I think we need to come up above here and we'll take some buys. We can't just come up there with no bottom wick. We gotta come down, maybe grab liquidity, create a support, and then come up. I'm not just gonna take it off the rip here if we close back above there. This candle has to come down retest somewhere around 1838, 1837, and then come back up. Even lower, maybe, even 1836, 35. Maybe an onion. No, no, not here yet. But yes, eventually. Buys or sells tonight. Both can happen still. None might happen still. Trading Jacob had the balls to get on the stream while with Joe and voice all his fears and concerns about live trading. Something a lot of us have yet to come to terms with. Power to the kid. Well, yeah, it all starts. It's got to start somewhere. Accountability has to start somewhere. Hopefully, it started for him. Right? Hopefully, this will bring accountability into his trading and into his life. But I felt it. I felt his pain. I truly felt his pain. Works on that gush, kush, and alcohol. Gold is one of the tougher pairs. I mean, I enjoy gold. It's a lot less forgiving, that's for sure. What's your max bench? Don't know. Never tried. Never tried to max out my bench. I don't know my PR for anything. I go in, do my reps, do my sets, and that's it. But I never go in there and just do like one max PR. I do both. I change. I do dumbbells. Then I do like my next workout. Next time I'm in there, I'll be doing barbells. Yeah, Kyrie and Luka's going crazy, both. 585 bench as a freshman in high school? That's gotta be some kind of record. What's the fucking world record for a 16-year-old? Not even a freshman in high school, where you're like 14? That's not even healthy, goddamn. How fucking big are you? That better be 585 ounces. That's gotta be a record, right? It's like a world, that's like, yeah. It's a universe. You're Captain Universe. Too much, man. Too much, right? That was the equivalent of saying I took a buy at 1832.361 here. That's crazy. Made the papers as one of the strongest teenagers in the country. I believe that. That's crazy. I just know. I know some massive people. I know some firefighters who like they get on an airplane and they grab 2 seats. big, big, big guys. And 580 is a lot for them. My girlfriend asked me what is weed. Break up with her. What can you do? Not everyone is for you. Right? We can all agree. Yeah, what else can you do? It's over. Sorry, baby, I want a divorce. Yeah. What do you mean? Oh, you're Samoan. Samoans, yeah, that explains. You do the haka? You know the haka, you guys know that shit. That intimidating dance they do. Oh, that's a different island. I'm sorry. Maori. Did grab some liquidity here, chat. 4 hour has a bottom wick. See if we get some 5-minute closures above here, and we'll be in a position. But if not, we will not be in a position. Haka's from New Zealand. Yeah, James doesn't seem impressed by you guys. He seems like he knows what the fuck he's talking about. I believe James. But that does mean I have some doubt, right? Because if I believe something, that means I doubt it. Right, chat? If we believe something, there's some doubt in there for us to believe it. This gym talk without your boy Eddie. Where, if you guys don't know, Eddie H lifts. Like, if you're wondering if he even lifts, Eddie H lifts. You even lift, bro? Perfect liquidity grab right there for you. Let me show you how I executed that liquidity grab. What's your split? Like 35 degrees. I'm just kidding. It's I told you guys this many times. It's chest, arms, back, shoulders, legs. 5 days. I snatched 200 kilos as a freshman in high school, and they invited me to Olympics, but LOL, I didn't go. Yo, if I snatched 200 kilos, I'd have 20 to 30 years in jail. You guys are, I don't know how you get away with this. Can you tell me where you're snatching all these kilos, bro? That's 10 to 15 easy, right? Depending where you're at. I don't know what you're on, chat. I know it's Thursday / Friday. Let's talk about kilos. I pick up cars still to... That's got to be some impressive shit. Like, you go out with a girl and be like, hey, baby, you want a car? Pick one. We take one home. But like, what kind of cars? Like, I get it. Yeah, you can probably pick up like a Volkswagen Beetle, right? But you can't just drag a Bugatti to my garage if I need you to, right? Yeah, keys for the low. Come on, gold. Look what this is turning into. Look what Asian has turned into right now. You guys all need to hit the gym. I have a feeling everyone here, like every single person that just had added their 2 cents into this gym conversation, has not been to the gym since January 14th, which is roughly the day when all the New Year's resolutions run out. You guys have not seen a dumbbell in a long time. I know it. You guys are all talking shit and nobody goes to the gym. You're right. You're damn right, I just smoked. I don't know, man. I don't know. I can do push-ups. I don't push myself up. I push the planet down. All talk, no curl. I feel like Don would be all over this conversation, right? Chat, we close like this in 3 minutes. We might just drive here. Hold on. Even having a buy, I'm not even gonna get a chance on the break of this 30, chat. Yeah, I'm entering a position, chat, right here as we're breaking up. I'm taking a buy right here, market price. I just executed on the break of this 30 high. I didn't think it was gonna drive this fast. So this is what it's gonna look like here. Give me a sec, chat. This low. 27. So I'm gonna have this 5-minute zone. So what I have here is the 30 celery expectation with this volume and this liquidity that we just grabbed for us to drive up. And our advantage point here is the fill of this wick, roughly 10 pips, and then a drive up here to 20. Well, I'll probably close partials. And if we don't drive up and we flip back down, then that's a trade. But right now I have my stops below this area, the 5-minute range. I'm debating if I should bring it down to. Really don't like how this is situated here. Debating if I should bring this area down. Yeah. Yeah, I'm in with the expectation that we're going to fill the range. If I wasn't in yet, chat, as soon as this candle closes, I would have, in 30 seconds, I would have entered a buy as long as we close above here. But we were breaking, we have our 30-minute celery play here, right? And it's breaking up with after grabbing volume here. Our 5-minute ranges are in play. 10 seconds here for the 5-minute range. If you're not in, could have grabbed the position there. I think right here, roughly. If we break the previous hourly high, I mean, we should be good to go up. Did you enter? Yeah, we entered. I told you guys when I'm entering, I took a market buy. This was based on the 5 and the 30 with the expectation of us breaking this hourly high and filling the range here. And that's the way the cookie crumbles. We had the 30 celery, now we want the hourly celery. Market execution ski. Yeah. I should have said the words. All right, chat. I'm gonna have a buy stop here because even if I didn't, if I was just saying those words, I think our viewers go up by like a good 100. The hourly break is the higher time frame confirmation. Looking at it right now, ideally. But with the 5 closing back up in this range, I'm expecting us to drive up on a fake out here. Because now that we came below and closed back above, I was expecting a fake out to drive up. Problem is this 5 took up a lot of our range. Asia is slow as fuck, yeah. As long as you're aware of it, right? As long as you're aware that it's slow as fuck. But know what you're getting yourself into. Don't over risk. Don't over leverage. If you've been with us for over a month, you'll realize the last month has been a fucking blessing. So be comfortable and be confident in your positions and trust the higher time frames. And outside of that, this is your time to sample size for managing risk if you're in a trade. If you're not in a trade, this is a good time to, keep your ego in check. That's it. But don't just sample size the entries. Sample size everything. The way you're holding a position, what you're doing here. Where are you mapping out your next play, your next plan? Are you mapping out where you're going to manage risk, where you're going to close partials, where you're going to take, secure the bag, where you're going to take some bacon off the table? My price, I entered on MT5, it was 1840.67. I got a bit of a late entry, 1840.67. See, I'm looking at the hourly here, and this is the one that makes the most sense here, right? I'm looking at the 30, it makes sense too, right? So I'm with the volume that we just grabbed here and the bullish closure above the range here, I'm going to expect these higher time frames to take us up. But you guys should note that in relation to the hourly entry here, the hourly break of the previous high, the hourly is more solid there than the 30. 30, you have this wick to fill, right? That's your advantage. The hourly, you have much more range. But it's, I'm fine with it. It fits my plan, so I'm good with it. You guys have to be good with it. Might move my stop below here. 1836.9. Where do I have it right now? 26. Yeah. I think up until here, I'll be good. I'm comfortable with it. Then again, we could come down anywhere within this 4 hour and then drive up, right? Until we break it. $46 pips here. Yeah, and that would be the break of the daily low. Yeah, chat, that's where I'm going to keep it. There's going to be I'm having a big stop today, but it's going to be on the break of this 46 pips, but it's the break of the daily low. At the moment, that's where my stop is. If I need to, I'll adjust it. And it's the 4 hour, the previous 4 hour low. So we would break the previous 4 hour candle here. If we decide to come back down in there. So if that happens, yeah, we'll be out. That's the most logical stop, and it's only 46 pips. People are like, 46 pips? Sorry, Chad. I didn't mean to ignore you. Back from the kitchen. Are you in yet? Yes, I'm in. Never broke. This is what's interesting. The hourly never broke. And you can't take buys, but so you can't take buys above here now, right? So because once this breaks down and comes back up below this area, it's not a fake out anymore. We had our fake out. Now we need to break these highs for more buys, right? The 30 close above here. We just had our 30 barely, right? It barely closed above here. Right, but it did. We'll see. Really need this hourly. The previous hourly break of the high is what we need. Headphones are only a few bucks. Yes, we're in position. I'm in position. I'm in this position. Position. Are you in position? Wow, so beautiful. I love your pigtails. High five. That's beautiful. Twirl, twirl. Wow. Glamorous. My kids over here, she just took a shower. They took a bath and she came here with pigtails. It's really cute. Really cute. Asia Tough Sessions, yes. Asia, tough sessions, I agree. Banging on this door, banging on this door. Can't handle your joint, stop smoking. Why? He was on repeat. His record was skipping. Take a trade yet, take a trade yet, take a trade. Oh, here we go. This is the banger. This is definitely my favorite track on here. Everybody has their favorites, right? Everyone's got a favorite. This is mine. That's a fire track, though. I ain't gonna lie. I like that. That was good over there, Mr. Harris Heller. All right, back to the charts. Where are we at? Oh, same spot where we were before the song. Well, surprising, ain't it? Or not surprising. You make those beats? No. I don't know what they're called. There's just a playlist of them, but I don't know what they're called. It's Harris Heller. Harris Heller made the beats. I enjoy them. Yeah, we just don't want to break up here. This is the key. Can we break this previous hourly high at 1841.626? Can we do that? 1842.9 is a strong resistance, right? High probability the price will get rejected there. 1842.9. Yeah, that's a good advantage point, yeah. How many rejection wicks? It's not really about how many rejection wicks. I know it's rejected here a bunch of times now at this area, but it's really going to depend on how we close now. Like, I'm in a trade, right? And price can go up and down, can go against me, right? Drawdown doesn't mean the probability of the trade winning or working out went down, but closures or breaks of lows or highs or flips of candles does. So that's when we get those indications, then we'll look to manage risk. So if we get the hourly closing, you know, bearish or below these areas, or if we get the 4-hour breaking the previous 4-hour low, we're going to look to manage risk. But until then, we have to put our trust in the higher time frame, and the 4-hour to the 1. Well, the 1 hasn't broken the previous hourly, but everything but the 1 and the 30. And we were anticipating it to break with the way the 5 came down, grabbed liquidity here at these 1838 levels, and came back up, closed above for us to retest the highs. So it, you know, it fell in line with my analysis. We took it. But whatever we do, it has to be logical. It can't be based on, oh, we're seeing drawdown, or so we're just seeing stuff, you know, rejecting and moving up and down. We need to see some higher time frame closures or breaks of lows or highs. And, you know, I'm not risking my account here to the extent where if I take a loss, it'll hurt me, right? I understand that. That's why these are the places where I've decided that I'm comfortable with. And they make the most sense based on the higher time frames. People are like, oh, that's wide. No, that just makes the most sense, and I'm not over risking, so it's okay to me. But the idea is to be able to manage risk in a good position or in a bad position. Managing risk can often be the difference between, you know, a win and a loss. And you can be in the same position. Two people could be in the same identical position, but the way you manage risk is going to really affect, you know, the outcome. Some buy, yeah, we were in a buy. We opened our buy in the last half hour. On the screen, we entered on the 30 break of the previous candle high, celery play, and my entry on the broker is 1840.67. Well, I entered. I don't know if you guys entered, but I entered. Yeah, if you see these green and red boxes, that means I'm in. It's going to be loss number 5 for the year, or win number 13. One of those two is going to happen, right? Or a break even. Well, we'll see. Five closed above our range, back into this range, and the 30 broke the previous 30 highs with the expectation. That's why we're in right here. Salary play. Just hedge. Why trade Asian? Because I'm profitable in Asian, and we get a lot of value in this stream. Will you manage risk like close half your lot size when the candle breaks below 1838? No, I'm looking for. I'm gonna look for a closure, for an actual closure. I might on the hourly flip. I don't know yet. We will see. I think below this area, I would do that. Asian is so slow, I know. I hear it every day. Yeah, close above that resistance would be good too. That's right, Steven. Yeah, gold, like I said, we could definitely flick back bearish. Here's the thing, the way this previous 4-hour closed above the range, we could have flipped bearish. We could flip bearish, create a steeper wick here, and then drive up, right? Because we closed above the range on the 4-hour, and we had a wick to fill. The issue is we filled most of it here right now. Play that hot track again? No, I'm gonna let these tracks rock. It's just a big playlist. Let it rock. We might have a chance at onions if we do start coming back up, but I gotta see these levels form. I mean onions at pineapples. Key on this hourly close. As long as this next hourly can close above 1838.62, I'll be in a trade. If we close below it, I'm gonna think about closing the trade or closing partials. This hourly closure is key. What are pineapples? Just more positions, adding on positions to an existing trade. So I might get more buys if we pull back here, but we'll see. Obviously, ideally, I don't want to pull back anymore. Right? Good with the pullback. Now try it. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Take the responsibility of being in a trade chat. I did. It's on me. I win. It's on me. I lose. It's on me. Compliment your Dr. Evil. I didn't. Kevin Hart pineapple skit. I didn't hear that. If it's me, if I lose, it's on you. Facts. That's how it always is. I know it. Chat. Give me 1 sec. 1 sec. I need. Oh, great. Last 15 of the 4-hour here. Watch it dry down. I need to grab some water because I'm out. I'm out of this water. No, I said last 15 of this hour. Yeah, we break the 30 low. Might drive down, but it's okay. My thing here is the hourly close. 11 minutes here. Do you keep an eye on DXY? I do not. Why? You and I could keep an eye on DXY. That was a rookie trade. Thanks, Terry. I'll log that away. I'll log that analysis away. Ditto. Ditto, Terry. Love you too. What I miss? Some drawdown. How long does it take to form a 30-minute candle? 2 15-minute candles. $60 30-second candles. That's right, John. Perspective. It's just perspective, right? You're seeing the nuances here that you can utilize to your advantage, and I'm seeing mine. Six 5-minute candles. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, mama. See a lot of FOREX streams, all of them shouting and selling this. Now I can say you're the one. What are you trying to say? I can dodge bullets? No. When you're ready, you won't have to. I can't believe I didn't get the part for Neo. That's crazy. You gonna buy Wix? Yeah. How long you gonna trade for? Typically a few minutes. Today, about a half hour at this moment. If you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge anything. Who knows the 5 Ds of dodgeball? Dip, duck, dive, dodge, and duck, right? I don't think he was talking about me, Green. Or maybe he was. Yeah, he wasn't talking about me, Green. Price to get in at? Right here, you see that? Right there. That was the price we got in it. If you're emotional, you probably risk too much. Yeah, most likely. I can agree with that. Do you recommend buy stop there if he came back up? If he came back up, probably the break of the previous hourly high, but at the moment, no, because now this hour, you would need this hourly to re-break that high. Right now, you need to have some closures back above. You in a position? Yes. Cut your loss, bro. You're going to lose this trade. if I do, it's going to be because of logic and not because of emotion, right? So we will cut a loss if we do close below here on the hourly, because then I'll expect the hourly to come down, and if the next hourly closes back above, then I'll take more positions. But if we don't close below this area on the hourly, then I'm going to keep this position open. 1 minute to go here. Stop loss there for a reason. Yeah, my comfort level. Don't worry, chat. I can hit full stops and keep on smiling. I mean, it won't be, it won't be cool for stream, right? But like, it's not gonna. I should not be risking the house on a trade. And that's what I feel like most of you are doing with the comments I'm reading. It's all right. It's experience, right? You gain knowledge that's guided by experience, not just by someone telling you something. One minute demand zone. Oh, I'm not muted. I'm talking to my daughter. My daughter's right here. You can wave. Yeah, I got, no, this is Wix 10. This is the oldest one. All right, go. I'll lay down. I'll be there soon. I'll swing by. You can say bye. Want to say bye? You can wave bye. That's the wave of a kid that does not care. We do not care. I wasn't saying about what I drew. What am I expecting? I'm expecting us to come back up bullish, but if we don't, we don't. The 4-hour flip, right? Now the 4 hours driving down. Maybe this is the wick for the 4-hour, the bottom wick. Love you. Mwah. Go. But it drives down here, like my risk is taken care of. So it's Friday, nothing going up. Ain't nothing going up but the rent, right? Let's see if we can come back up in range. Where can we take some buys here? It's the area, right? Friday ain't nothing going up, I know. Nothing's going up. Why enter when 1 hour closed like that? We didn't enter. We entered on a 30-minute break of the highs, celery play, 5-minute closing above the range. I mean, if you guys aren't comfortable, you can cut losses here if you want. How much are you down? You are 20 pips even. 20 pips is not gonna make or break you, right? You guys down? Close here. You don't have to hold for the 46 pips, right? It's fine. Hey, why aren't you sleeping? You have a ponytail. Your sister has pigtails. Give me a kiss. All right. Give me a kiss. Now go. Yeah, now I have all my kids right next to me. All right, chat. I don't know how long this is taking here, but if it takes the next 2 hours, I'm not gonna sit here. So let's set a time. Let's call it 10:20, 10:30, and then if we're in drawdown, I'll explain what I'm gonna do and where I will manage risk, or if we're not out by then. What do we need to get a pineapple? I'm looking at some closures back above. Wait. Yeah, you know what? Same area. We come back above that same area. I'll probably take a buy right here. Want a closure above there, right? But if not, we can just come down here. This 5-minute can flip. We can come down. What's up? I know. I'm coming. What are you doing? You know I'm working, right? Losses built in expecting newbies. You have a winning system. You win more trades than losses, and your wins are bigger than losses. Then your system is still good despite occasional loss. Yeah, we get occasional losses, and then you get occasional, that big loss occasionally. But it's never a loss that's not managed or that your account can't handle, right? It's all taken into account prior to getting into a trade. So yeah, my risk is fine here. Next Manage risk if this 30 closes below here. The 30 closes below here. I'll look to manage risk. You're big. You're a big girl. That's right. You're a big girl. That's right.
I'm not big.
You're not big girl. Okay. All right. Mini wicks. We gotta go. Mini wicks. Jack, give me 1 sec. Let me step away for 1 sec. Oh, I made her upset. Told her to sit next to me. Now she's upset. Why are you whining? I know it's late. It's past your bedtime. Alright, let's do this. Let's do 5 more minutes. And we go, okay? I know. You want a drink? What do you want? You want me? I know. That's how your mom got me. That's what she said. So what do you want? I said, I want you. Why are you giggling? Yo, kids are a trip. Yeah, I think another 5 minutes and I'll call it, chat. We do have a bottom wick though for the 4 hour, right? The 4 hour flipped now and we got a bottom wick here. Let's see. We below this level. Bought in at the support. What support? We haven't established one yet. Alright, this is getting out of hand. She's telling me to move. It's her desk. Calling it a stream middle in a trade? Yeah, I might. Because we stream here 8 to 10, right? But you see this right here? This beauty? She takes priority over everything. I mean, my trading takes priority, but right now... This is priority. Is the actor of Transporner? Is that a porno movie? Transporner? Yeah. Were you in that Transporno? Yes, I was. Guys, check out my trans porno. See, at this point here, now that we've come up here, we have no business re-breaking these lows, right? So I'm gonna bring my stop here to this area. If we re-break the low, wait, what just happened? Did I just move everything? What? Why is our entry up? Look what you did. All right, hold on. Wait. Entry. Stop. Right here. Yeah, so now we can cut our stops to 24 pips. That's the max we can lose here, because at this point now, once we've come up and grabbed this top wick on this hourly, right? If we don't break this previous hourly right now, right here, and we come back down and re-break the low, then we're going to continue filling the range down. See, just like here. So now we're saving ourselves 24 pips or 22 pips, and our stops are now, instead of 46, are 24. My TPs are entry? Yeah, it happens. That kind of stuff happens. I was looking to add positions here, Chad, if we closed above this area. Let me see. Yeah, no, I'm not adding a position here. I needed to close above this little area to add something. Oh, that's how you manage risk. Thanks for the lesson. I mean, yeah, every candle printing here, right, is giving you information. So you have to utilize every single thing printed in front of you. Just the way the higher time frames are printing here, we break these lows, I'm gonna head down. So Wix, I send my chart. Maybe you did, but as you can see, we're in the middle of a trade, and I don't want to discuss a trade. And if you remind me on Monday, I'll discuss it. This one's not letting me do anything. And we're already in a trade, and we're past our Wix. If a 5-minute closure above, can we pineapple? I'm thinking about it. It depends on how this closes. I'm thinking about adding a position. If this 5-minute closes here, I'm going to add another position. Whoa. Do me a favor, don't press buttons. It's way past their bedtime. Way, like, it's an hour past their bedtime. A whole hour. Hour and a half. But she tends to break that, like, at least 3 days out of the week. She disrespects her bedtime. Try bribing her? I did, yeah. I gave her an iPad, but it died. The battery died. she's playing floor is lava. Oh, what is this? She got annoyed. She just looked at me and went, rolled her eyes and walked out. Do we break this? Oh, this is tough. Yo, what's going on here? Wait, why are we frozen? Why are we frozen? Yo, am I bugging? What's going on? My bro. What the fuck is going on? Why are we not moving? Oh. I don't know. I can't take a position here, Chad. It's not clear for me. I wanted to close right here, like at these levels, as we did previously. So I'm not adding a position on here. I wanted to close a bit higher. Although it did close above this area, right? It did. Interesting. Yeah, retest. Chat, I'm gonna take a position here. I'm opening a second position here. And I'm gonna keep the same stop. If it does come back down here, I'll manage it on the next 30 closure. But I just added a position, right? How do I even do this? Right here. Because sorry, advantage point. I mean, we can continue driving up here. It's the same position, really. But it's a separate position. I mean, it's the same target, really. Because the way I'm looking at it, this 5, it's really all about how wide I would have made this, but in reality, here, remove, right? We did close above it. It closed above it. So, and my reason for this, we cut our risk in half also, right? I'm just weighing the two. We cut our risk in half, so this would be like hitting that full stop on that previous position that I was comfortable with, and I'm comfortable with this here. But I just added a position, and this is our stops. And the only way I can manage this stop now is if we get a higher time frame closure, bearish, below here, below 1839.43. So that's how I'm going to manage it. What I might do is maybe even once I get to these areas of 1840, I might close both positions, and at that point, one will be break even and one will be about 12 pips in profit, right? So that's one of the things I might do here. But in a losing position, I will manage risk. Either if we break the lows here, it'll hit stops, and we've cut our stops in half, or if we start closing bearish here on the 30 or the 1 hour on the next 30, right? Outside of that, I think I'm gonna call it here. But outside of that, it's the same stops for both positions that I have, and that's what it looks like. All right, you guys know what I'm doing? I got 3 angry kids looking at me. I'll look at the charts in about 10 minutes, and I'll look at the charts in a half hour from then. But until then, it's adios amigos, I guess. Is that how they say it? You're not tripping for that daily, not having bottom wick. It comes back down, right? My risk management's in place. Like, I don't, not over risking. So I'm not tripping. But if it comes back down, then we'll look for sells, right? Tomorrow morning. If the daily flips, we'll look for sells tomorrow morning. No biggie. You guys see what I'm doing? You guys know what I'm doing? There it is. All right. That's that. We did respect this area on the previous hourly, so I'm happy about that. All right. I will see you guys tomorrow morning on Mr. Don Vo's stream. Okay? And that's it. Have a good night, everybody. And hasta la pasta. I'll be there in the morning, and join us next week at 8 p.m. Eastern. I'll be there as well. Yeah, have a good night. Oh, we need side C here now. Sorry, chat. There we go. Let me do this. Everyone likes this. Have a good night, everybody. I'm coming. I'm ending the stream. Anyway, love and wisdom to you all, mods. Green, I appreciate you all. I love you all. Have a good night, y'all.